quick review to my new toy. I got it 3 days ago, and then this is very handy, quick, and very easy to use. They got battery charger, and this is cordless. Very easy to use, and it's good for carpet as well or tiles. And if you have pet, like I got 2 dogs, it's very good to use. It's too easy, and yeah, I like it. I give it 5 stars. I like it. So far, this is my favorite vacuum for now. They got extension too, and I like it because it really takes the hair of the dog out inside, and they're very low it's low noise, and then yeah, very easy to use. And then when you finish, you can just charge it. And then yeah, I like it.
Send me right up there to do it again. Oh, that was the break.